Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to add end screen on your YouTube videos. So there are two ways to do that. The first one is to upload a video and the second one is to add an end screen to an existing video. So now let's start. So what we're going to do here is to click on this create option at the top and then you will be asked to upload a video. And then here you'll have to select a video to upload on your YouTube channel. And then after uploading the video, we can now edit the details for our video. After editing the details, you'll just have to click on the next option. And then here, you'll now see an option that says add an end screen. So let's just click on that and click on the import from video. And then here you'll have 4 choices on how you want your end screen would look like. So I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see here, I have 2 boxes. All I have to do is to click in these boxes to add a video for my end screen. I could also add an element, for example, subscribe. And then after that, you'll just have to arrange the boxes on how you want your end screen would look like. After editing that, you can now click on the Save Changes. So the second way to add an end screen is to go to your Manage Videos. And then here you'll see all the videos you uploaded on your account. So now we can choose here on what video that we want to add an end screen. So I'm choosing this one. After clicking that, you'll see options at the left side. So let's just click on the editor option. And then here, click on Get Started. So now you'll see an option that says end screen. We'll just have to click on the plus sign at the right side. And then you will be given choices. So let's just click on video. So here we'll just have to arrange the box here, the video box. And then after arranging that, we can also add an element. For example, let's just put subscribe. After editing your end screen, just click on the Save Changes or Save option. And then after that, you will be redirected to the home page of your channel. So as you can see here, I already have an end screen for my video. So that's how you can add an end screen to your YouTube videos. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.